Let's play it. All right. Yeah, man, I'm not trying to copyright on nobody's stuff. I never do nothing like that. But I have to get this parrot done. And man, I'm gonna slip this stuff together now. Man. Yeah. Love it, man. Sorry, not trying to copyright again. Let's I'm gonna keep talking, get the torch over. So like YouTube's like, oh, I'm gonna kill your feed or Facebook, or whoever, Spotify. I can't help it. I like this to young country rap artists today. They're wicked. I love it actually. It drove me insane at first. I thought, oh, this sucks. Like Beavis and Butthead did. I was like, I hated it so bad. It's like, why you ignorant, whatever, listen to this trash. I was like, oh my God. I see the irony of it now. I can still speak though. Man, drinking some turkey. Oh yeah, beautiful. We're going to start with the little stuff and get warmer as we go, and then the big stuff will go easier. Certainly need to preheat everything anyway, though. You know what I mean? All right. Silver will follow the heat. So if you really want to get in deep, heat the joint you want it to go into. Notice I use the in and out I go in and out with the torch. I don't try to just keep the same level. You can control your heat so much better. Get down on it in front and then come back and go for it. There you go, just like that. Okay, and it will suck into here if this is hotter. So obviously you want to get this hotter, but you want to still tap to here. So get this one hotter. Go back, let's catch it. Right? See, it's sucked way up in there. We're going to let that cool off now, guys. I'll have to drill into the side of that to attach to here now. Thanks for watching. Rocky Point Copper Stills, come back and visit us.